Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. Today I'm going to make a very easy, no-bake Nutella cheesecake. This pie is very easy to make, so let's get started. I made my own graham cracker crust, but if you don't want to do that, just go ahead and buy a pre-made graham cracker crust, but this is also easy to make. If you can't find one, and I couldn't find one at my store, just crushed graham crackers, a little sugar, a little melted butter, mixed it together, formed it in a pie crust, and I let it chill in the refrigerator for a good hour or two. For our cheesecake mixture, I have two 8-ounce blocks of very softened room temperature cream cheese. Please make sure it's very softened and room temperature for easy mixing. I went ahead and gave that a little mix to get it going. And in this bowl, I have just a half a cup of powdered sugar. I've took my whisk through it, kind of sifted a little bit. And now we're going to blend that really good. And make sure that you scrape your bowl every now and then to make sure everything's well blended and well incorporated. Now I'm just going to add a 13-ounce jar of the hazelnut spread, which is Nutella, but I like this off-brand pretty good. So let me get that scraped out in here. Now we're going to just blend this really well, scraping the bowl several times, and make sure it's very well blended together. Okay, mine's all very well blended and mixed together, so let me get out my pie crust. Now I do want to add, I just tasted mine, if it's not as sweet as you like it, because this is not very sweet, add in a little bit more powdered sugar. Now I'm just going to carefully put it in my crust. Now if you want to top yours with some toasted hazelnuts, that would be perfect. But if I was to top mine with that, nobody in the house would eat it but me. So, they prefer it without the hazelnuts, and half of this pie is going to my neighbor's son, and I asked him today, and with or without the nuts, and he would prefer it without the nuts too. So that's totally up to you. Now I'm going to put this in the refrigerator overnight to chill it, and I'll be back tomorrow to slice it up and try bite. Okay, my pie has sat overnight in the refrigerator. And I just topped it with some whipped cream. You don't have to do that. So now let me try a bite. It's creamy and smooth. And it's delicious. It is not very sweet. So like I said, when you're making it up, you can try it. If it's not sweet enough for you, you can add some more powdered sugar into it. Just make it your own. You could also top it with the toasted hazelnuts, or just top individual servings for whoever wants hazelnuts to try it. It'll be good too. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Comment, because I love hearing from you. And until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Bye y'all. Delicious.